If you want to change always on a display theme on the Redmi Watch 6, then first of all we need to open the settings on our watch. So we're gonna go to the apps list and we're gonna scroll all the way down, and then we're gonna open the settings. Of course, you can open the list of apps by pressing the crown. Now, over here we should be able to go to display settings. Then in the display settings, we want to find always on a display. And of course, AOD has to be enabled to be able to change the theme. And then after, or once it is enabled, we can scroll down to find system always on watch face. So we can go here, and then you should be able to choose whichever theme you would like to use. And in some cases, we can also edit the theme. And we have a couple of different options that we can choose from. For example, here, I'm not entirely sure what is the difference between one and another style, but we should be able to set it up quite easily. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.